I hate it when it starts raining and I've left my bed cover open. I mean, all my stuff gets wet and I don't want to go out in the rain to close it. Well, the Retrax EQ bed cover is going to save me a lot of trips. The Retrax EQ is not just any truck bed cover. This bad boy is packed with features that will change how you use your truck bed. The Retrax EQ is constructed with industrial grade aluminum, giving you unparalleled durability and toughness that can withstand whatever you throw at it. It'll protect your belongings from would-be thieves and harsh elements. You've seen electric covers before. They can be loud with that clunk-clunk movement, but the EQ doesn't have that problem. It features an ultra-quiet cable drive retracting system. It's so smooth and quiet you'll hardly believe it's electric. Retrax could have stopped at smooth and strong, but the EQ takes it a step further. They've given you 3 options to control the EQ. You can use your phone, an optional cab-mounted keypad, or even your AAM key fob. Literally putting the control in the palm of your hands. Working or loading up after dark is not a problem. When you open or close the Retrax EQ, there are LED lights that illuminate your truck bed for maximum functionality. And when it comes to safety, the Retrax EQ has got you covered. It's equipped with an anti-pinch design and manual disconnect mechanism. It even supports cargo racks with T-slot channels built right into the cover's rails. So it works with a lot of racks and mounts to help make your truck your own. The Retrax EQ is not just a one-trick pony. It's the most versatile and accessible truck bed on the market. If you want to know more about the Retrax EQ bed cover or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.